Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we are diving deep into one of the most exciting returns in the world of recreational vehicles, the GMC Motorhome 2026. After decades of anticipation, GMC has brought back its legendary motorhome, but this time it arrives with a futuristic twist. Blending the rugged durability and American strength that GMC is known for with modern innovation, advanced technology, and unmatched luxury. This motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a complete lifestyle upgrade for families, travelers and explorers who demand comfort, performance, and freedom on the open road. From the moment you look at the exterior of the GMC Motorhome 2026, you can tell it is built to impress. The design is bold, aerodynamic, and unmistakably GMC, carrying forward a legacy that dates back to the iconic motorhomes of the 1970s, but reimagined for the future. At the front, you're greeted with a powerful grille flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights that not only enhance its aggressive look, but also improve nighttime visibility. The body is sculpted with aerodynamic lines that reduce drag, improve efficiency, and give it a sleek yet commanding presence on the road. Large panoramic windows run along the sides, providing breathtaking views of the outdoors while flooding the interior with natural light. GMC has also included smart design touches like retractable awnings, hidden storage compartments, and solar panels seamlessly integrated into the roof to make this motorhome as practical as it is stylish. Step inside, and you immediately realize this is not just another RV. This is a true luxury living space on wheels. The interior of the GMC Motorhome 2026 has been designed to rival high-end apartments, offering comfort, functionality, and a touch of sophistication that travelers will appreciate. The spacious living area features modular seating that can be rearranged to suit different needs, whether it's lounging with the family, hosting guests, or converting into an extra sleeping space. The cabin is finished with premium materials, including soft-touch leather, sustainable wood accents, and ambient lighting that creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. The kitchen is another highlight, equipped with state-of-the-art appliances that make cooking on the road a pleasure rather than a chore. You'll find an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator with Wi-Fi connectivity, a convection oven, and plenty of counter space. Storage has been intelligently designed with hidden compartments and modular shelving that make use of every available inch. For dining, a foldable table seamlessly extends from the wall, providing ample room for family meals. Moving further back, the sleeping area feels like a boutique hotel suite. The main bedroom offers a queen-sized bed with memory foam mattresses, USB-C charging ports, smart lighting controls, and panoramic windows for waking up to beautiful views. The secondary sleeping arrangements like foldable bunk beds or a pop-up roof extension make it perfect for families or larger groups. The bathroom is compact yet luxurious, featuring a rainfall shower, modern fixtures, and even eco-friendly water-saving technology that allows for longer stays off-grid. Performance is another area where GMC has elevated the game. The 2026 GMC Motorhome comes with both hybrid and fully electric powertrain options, giving buyers flexibility depending on their travel needs. The hybrid combines a powerful 3.0L V6 engine with an electric motor for efficiency and extended range, while the all-electric version delivers instant torque and smooth driving dynamics, making it surprisingly agile for its size. With all-wheel drive capability and adaptive suspension, the GMC Motorhome 2026 is not only comfortable on highways, but also capable of tackling off-road adventures. Whether you're climbing steep hills, navigating gravel paths, or cruising down smooth highways, this motorhome delivers power, stability, and confidence in every journey. Technology plays a huge role in this model. The cockpit is equipped with a fully digital driver display, an advanced infotainment system with a large touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and integrated navigation optimized for motorhome travel. Voice control, driver assist systems, and a 360-degree camera system make maneuvering such a large vehicle surprisingly easy. Safety has also been given top priority, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking all standard. Another impressive aspect is its off-grid capability. GMC has fitted the motorhome with roof-mounted solar panels, a large-capacity battery pack, and options for portable wind turbines. Combined with an efficient water recycling system, travelers can comfortably live off-grid for extended periods without sacrificing modern conveniences. This makes the GMC Motorhome 2026 an excellent choice for those who want to explore the wilderness, national parks, or remote destinations without worrying about power and utilities. Now let's talk about pricing. GMC has managed to strike a fine balance between premium features and competitive pricing. The starting price is expected to be around $145,000 for the base hybrid model, while the fully loaded all-electric version with all the luxury add-ons could reach upwards of $185,000. Considering the level of technology, comfort, and performance you're getting, the GMC Motorhome 2026 stands as a strong competitor against other luxury motorhomes, often undercutting European brands that cost significantly more while delivering the same or even better features. The GMC Motorhome 2026 is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of freedom,